Hello everyone, welcome back. In this episode of Cook With Him, we are going to prepare veg momos. The ingredients we are going to require for making this recipe: 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, 1 grated carrot, 1 cup of grated cabbage, 3 chopped chilies, 4 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of spring onion, half a cup of all refined flour or maida, 1 quartered tomato, 4 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 5 Kashmiri dry red chilies. For the outer covering of momos, add some salt to all refined flour, some oil, and using your hand mix it evenly. Now add little water at a time and start kneading the dough. Also add water in parts or in intervals and make sure you knead the dough at least for 10 minutes. We need to knead the dough into a smooth yet firm dough. And once done, cover the dough with a wet muslin cloth or lid and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. For the momo sauce, in a deep bottom pan, heat some water, add 4 to 5 red chilies, 1 quartered tomato, close the pan with a lid, boil for 5 minutes or till tomato starts peeling its skin. Using a slotted spoon, remove the excess of water and set aside the chilies and tomato to cool down. Once it is cooled down, transfer the chilies into a blender or a mixer and remove the skin of all the tomato pieces. Also transfer them to a blender. Blend the mixture into a smooth paste or a puree without adding water. Once it is ready, remove the lid. The blended paste should have thick and flowing consistency to it. Now in the same deep pan, heat some oil. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger. Saute till the raw flavor of ginger and garlic goes away and also till the garlic turns slightly golden. Now add 1 tablespoon of spring onion and saute for another few seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and stir for another few seconds. Now add the prepared and blended paste to it. Mix and cook for a few minutes till the chutney or the sauce starts thickening. The sauce starts thickening in 2 to 3 minutes. Once the quantity of the sauce reduces, add some salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix and cook for some more time. Now switch off the flame, let it reach to room temperature and then serve with momos or any other snack of your choice. Now for the stuffing of the momos, heat some oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 2 to 3 chopped chilies and saute on medium flame for few seconds or until the ginger and garlic slightly turns golden in color. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped onion and saute it for another minute. And once the onion gets slightly softened, add 1 cup grated cabbage, also 1 grated carrot, 3 tablespoons of chopped capsicum. Mix well and cook on a medium flame for another 2 to 3 minutes while stirring occasionally. And once the vegetable starts shrinking, add some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. Mix well and make sure to combine everything properly. Saute and stir the mixture for 4 to 5 minutes more. Turn off the flame and transfer the filling to a bowl and set it aside to cool down. After 10 minutes, remove the damp cloth, sprinkle some flour to the rolling board, pull out a small piece of a dough and roll out the dough into a small circle. It should not be too thick or too thin in thickness. Once you roll out the dough into a proper circle, place a tablespoon of prepared vegetable filling in the center of the circle. Beginning at one end of the circle, gather the edge to form pleats, working your way around the circle and prepare a pouch. Bring the pleats together to form a pouch like dumpling and seal the top. You can also roll the top while sealing it. Momo shaped in a pouch dumpling. Similarly, roll another portion of the dough into a circle of same thickness. Place the prepared filling. Firstly, fold the two sides and pinch them. Also fold the other open side and pinch it again so as to form a triangle. Momo in a triangular shape. Now lift one side of edge and start pleating and joining them together. Continue pleating till the halfway. Now seal the unpleated part or the plain part with the pleated one. Seal it at the top, pressing gently. For this shape, we'll keep the half edge of the circle as such over the rest half circle. Seal both the sides together well. Now holding two of the sides of the semicircle, twisting them and joining them together. Here are the momos of different shapes. Now to steam cook them, add a glass full of water in a steamer pan and bring it to a simmer on medium heat. Grease the steamer tray with oil and arrange the shaped momos on it. Now close the lid and steam them for 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, it becomes transparent, shiny, and by touch, it won't feel sticky. Do not overcook them, otherwise it will become chewy. Serve them hot or warm with spicy momo chutney or red chili garlic chutney as a snack or a starter. Do give it a try to this recipe at your home. I assure you will love it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.